If I don't kill you today, make I know what it is. If I don't kill you, make I know what it is.
You go kill him. You go kill him today.
Make I know what it is. Make I know what it is.
Oga, calm down.
You.
Oga. I didn't my day.
You say what?
My day.
Wouldn't they ask me?
Oh, but you know my.
You they ask me what to do. So this idiot.
I am more fighting.
What?
Funny one. Yeah, funny one.
No. You know go do
funny
it.
one.
No. This guy.
You have to kill this guy today. Kill him.
Put him down. I should not kill him.
Put him down. You put him down.
Hey, Mubeku no.
Now what's happening? Because I would be able.
Madam, then am I?
You do be home pony.
Sister, then am I?
See, make I tell you know this. He change now. Say you know what this small boy they do for this.
Why are they?
Any girl where I put my hand, this guy go try to put your hand.
Well, you see yourself.
No.
And now they don't know.
You still
why you not doing so?
I go kill her.
Go kill him.
No. He get mouth. No.
I have trumpet.
He won't challenge me.
I won't challenge you.
No, he won't challenge me.
Oga.
You see this your son. I'm going to kill her.
I'm going to kill.
In fact, I'm going to kill her. I'm going to kill her.
I did here.
You say you want to.
I want to go and vanish him.
Uncle Kume.
Mimi sikani wafa. Sasa makoto usika. Nipe sikani baby ame.
Opa, edise. So, se me kwa point ko fo bisika de befie. Ye ya mani sika gu so befie. E me kumia be yode. Na fo sika na ere.
Wo bisika de metu. Na mimi sika de finish.
Mo fa na
go kill her.
Okay.
Oh. Mo fa na
Adia ye pa du be hu plan nyamba.
Ada
ye hu be hu se nyamba.
Ada mo fa nko.
Ebu se u sa so diska.
Wuti.
Ka ko ton. Ka wo ye ne ko de. Medi medwam.
Ave ne ka mbako ko ton. Ana ka medebro what you. Ka medebro what did you answer.
Adi be na me.
Hey, wo.
Na me. O se we asewa. Ma dum ho zani. Mami. Makra. Afa makra wai. Ibe no hu bi. Enti se mu nu kuno.
Abi no ma hu bi.
Bebo mama.
We are done lu ba.
Bebo mama.
Put me down. No, you put me down.
I stand my
Which is the one who you are.
Hey,